Hey guys, it's Alicia and I'm back with my last video, and I wanted to come and talk about some face masks that I actually use with my skincare. At one point in time I wasn't using this face mask, but since I got older I started using face masks. So we're just gonna go through some of my face masks and stuff. So these are my recommended face masks and everything. So in no typical order, we have the Freeman. Now let me know. Most of my masks are Freeman masks, and most of some of these masks are cruelty free. So the Freeman masks, I know for a fact, are cruelty free, and I will let you know the brand. So with the Freeman mask, I use mostly sheet masks and clay masks. And the reason is I don't use peel off masks. I have done very poorly of getting them off my face. So I just use sheet masks and mud and clay masks. So the first one is cleaning apple cider vinegar clay mask and scrub. So it's a scrub as well, and I actually like that mask. That mask does pretty good well on me in the for all year. So I do use them certain times of the year, and this apple cider vinegar I use all year. I can actually tell you I do use that all year. Then I have the Purifying Purifying mask, Purifying Avocado oatmeal clay mask. Now that's a pretty good mask. I actually love the smell of that. It does real good on my face, and I can go. I actually use that's the one product I actually do use. Excuse me, y'all. That's one product I do use mostly every 2 weeks. So if I'm not using it every week, I'm using it every 2 weeks. So then I have the anti stress Dead Sea mineral clay mask. It's a pretty good mask that I use, and I only use it when I need to use it. So yeah. And I have the Juvenation cucumber pink salt clay mask, and it's a pretty good mask as well. The hydrating Jera water and pink peony gel cream mask. Now that's a pretty good mask, and I like that mask and stuff. So yeah. Then we have the brightening seaweed pearl sheet mask. That's a pretty good mask. I haven't not too long ago, just used it. So yeah, it's a pretty good mask. Okay, then we have the deep cleaning tea tree and Blackberry sheet mask. That one is also a good one, and so yeah, I actually like it. It's one of my favorite products. Now those particular masks are between $2.50 to $5 at Walmart, and on the website they're about $4 and something. They're about and at Ulta you can get the tube version. Now most of these are from the top to the first 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4 are actually tube masks from Freemans, and I got them from Ulta, and I got them no more than for like $4 or something at Ulta Beauty. Now the next brand I'm gonna tell you about is By Nature from New Zealand, and it's certain products here I can use, and this one is also cruelty-free product, also cruelty-free clay mask. And y'all, I actually like these masks. So the first one is the avocado oil rice protein clay face mask. Beautiful. the Seaweed and Aloe Vino Sheet Mask, Apple Stem Cell and Vitamin E Mask, and that's that one. That's all of those. And then he has the Clean and Clear mask. They only have one mask, and that is the Night Relaxing Gel eye sheet mask. Y'all gotta go and look that one up. They are good. So these rest of these masks, they between let's say they are at Walmart, and all these masks are between $2 to $5, or it's like two for $5, depends on how much they are. So they might originally be like $2.50, $3.50, or $4, depends on what you're getting. So then it says Say Yes To, and that's a skincare brand. I don't know if they're I do not know if they are cruelty free, but I like using them. But the only mask from there I like using is Say Yes To Cucumber Claming Paper Face Mask. And the next one is the Neutrogena Moisturizing Hydro Boosting Hydrating Sheet Mask. And last but not least, the next one is the Shea Moisture Clarifying Mud Mask African Soap Mask. It's supposed to be the African soap clarifying mud mask. There you go, y'all. So yeah, and those are my top ones that I like using. They work pretty well for my skin. For everybody would know what type of skin I go through. I have natural combination skin, meaning sometime in the wintertime or in the summer, depends how it is. Sometimes my skin will act up and then sometimes it doesn't. But yeah, I mean, these are some pretty good face masks that I do use. So I think half of y'all will probably love using these masks. But y'all, if y'all know any face masks that y'all think I should try, please comment below. Thumbs up this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.